Hey, what's up? It's Abdullah with NTWRK, and I am here at Hundreds Family Style Food Festival. We're gonna go hang out with a whole bunch of chefs, see their awesome collabs, and we're gonna eat some food. Let's go!
What up? Hey, what up? What up? You already know. We doing it family style, bitch.
This is for Nickelodeon. You should know that.
Oh, for real?
So Jake, you are the 5th generation owner of Katz's. What is it about this brand that's had such an enduring legacy?
It's the food first and foremost, right? It's the best pastrami, the best corned beef, the best matzo ball soup, or the best latkes you're ever gonna have.
Well, I have got to get myself a sandwich, definitely. And are you guys doing a clothing collab here?
Yes, we are.
So is this based on a real photo of Katz's?
Yeah. Our storefront, like classic storefront logo.
The vertical sign, that's very iconic.
We got that vertical, we got that signage going on over there, or that one right over there, you know.
So there it is, the visage of Katz's Delicatessen immortalized in a Hundreds t-shirt. You must be pretty excited.
I'm so excited, yeah.
It's so good, man.
Good, enjoy.
I want a picture with Garfield.
Did you have a good time today, Garfield? Don't be shy. I know how you can get. Don't be shy. You had a lot of fun, huh? It's a humiliating job, but somebody has to do it. I am here with my man, Ben, who is one of the organizers of Family Style. Ben, how's it going so far?
I think we're having a great time.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm eating so much delicious food. Everybody's dressed to the nines. People are rocking all kinds of awesome stuff. How did this all come together?
It was just an idea in a room one day, and this dream turned into reality.
What is the commonality between the food scene and the style scene here in LA that makes this so great?
I think that good food and good clothing, good taste, it goes together, and you're seeing that really thrive here in this environment.
Congrats on a great event.
Thank you. Thanks for coming out. Appreciate it.
Cheers. Respect.
Yeah.
This we've been hearing about all day. This is the Hundreds Garfield collab. Garfield, of course, the comic cat that is a mascot for gluttony, and that's exactly the vibe you gotta bring with you if you're at the Family Style Food Festival. If you've ever been in Chinatown, Los Angeles, and you're wondering what the hell are these hundreds and hundreds of people lining up for, it's Howlin Ray's chicken. It's extremely spicy and apparently really, really worth waiting for. And this is a Howlin Ray's Hundreds collab right here. I gotta have this, man. I gotta have the spicy yin yang. You know what I'm saying? Don't you? What's up, Howlin crew? I am here at the Howlin Ray's booth. This is Howlin Ray himself. What is it about your place in particular that makes people wait for so long for it?
I feel like it's just a genuine care, a genuine sense of hospitality, which is something that the South definitely, embodies.
And so who came up with this spicy yin yang design that we see on the Here for the Heat t-shirt?
For sure, like any collaboration, it's both sides, I feel like, so we both kind of went back and forth. It wasn't just one or the other, and we were open to it. We definitely have a certain aesthetic that we're going for, and Hundreds too as well, so really cool to be able to, put that out into a marketplace like this.
So, a lot of people wait a lot of minutes and a lot of hours to get this sandwich, but not me. It's so hot, my God. Hey, I am here with Jon and Vinny, the legends behind Jon and Vinny's, one of Los Angeles' favorite restaurants. And can you tell me about the Mad Happy collab that you guys have popping off today?
Oh, this is a hat that we basically just did it for our team. So this is the first time it's available to people.
The Mad Happy brand is just kind of like an upbeat brand. We try to be kind of an upbeat, happy restaurant, so it kind of went hand in hand.
And can I get a slice of pizza or what?
No slices.
No slices?
Yeah, we don't do slices.
What do you got?
With Jon and Vinny's, when it opened up, it was like we wanted a restaurant where like our kids after T-ball, that's where they would go.
It's family style.
It is totally family style.
Look at that.
Ooh. Oh, yeah. That is incredible. So I'm over here at the Tacos 1986 stall. You're Jorge, right?
Also known as El Joy, the #1 pound for pound. Ain't no one better than me. Best taquero in the world.
That's right. A very humble, modest guy, you know. And it might look like al pastor, but it's called
Adobada.
adomata.
Regional thing. I'm from Tijuana. Salsa and guacamole, and then boom, you go like that. I am the greatest taquero of all time. I'm the only taquero at the family style, the only taquero that's ever collaborated with the hundreds.
Wow.
Mr. Cartoon, to say the least.
You know what? I know he's saying a lot, but standing next to him, this guy is fucking amazing. I just feel it emanating off of him. Although that might be that giant spit of meat. I'm not sure.
No, it's me.
I feel like I'm inside Instagram right now.
So I'm walking around at Family Style, and I run into my very own fucking family, my boys. This is Knuckle.
What up, what up, what up?
And Arjun.
Good.
From Badmaj, and my man Sean Witherspoon, the G. You guys incorporated the Gandhi with the sunglasses into this thing as well? There he is.
We basically just needed to show what Badmash was in like a physical way. We took Gandhi, slapped some wafers on him, pink, hot, little loud. You know, if Gandhi was here today, he'd be dope. He'd be one of us. He'd be hanging out here at Family Style.
I have to try the special samosa.
Instead of stuffing with potato and peas, we're stuffing it with mac and cheese, and it's vegan.
Holy
And we're
shit.
serving these the way that we would get them from the corner store Indian joint, straight out the paper bag.
Right. Oh my God, look at this. Everybody's parents are upset right now, yo. The mac and cheese vegan samosa. Oh, so good.
My boys from Badmaj. Love you too, dude.
You know, streetwear meets food. I said streetwear meets eatwear, you know?
Streetwear meets eatwear. You heard it here first, my man Iffy. I am here with my man Jon from Cato. So what are you guys serving up here at Family Style?
We're doing Spanish bluefin tuna on tomato toast with like anchovy chili oil.
You deep fry your bread. Most people will just go for a toaster, but you deep fry it.
Fuck that, you have to fry it.
That is a healthy serving of tuna on there. And of course, Jon, you are rocking the Cato James Jean collab t-shirt that's exclusive to this event, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like this character here is holding one of the leaves that you're putting onto this tartine. Truly brilliant.
It's so beautiful. I don't want to ruin it, but it's happening. Wow, that is incredible. Jon, thank you so much, my friend, and I hope you have a great Family Fest. I am here with my man Matthew, the owner and operator of Cha Cha Matcha. What's up, man?
Just hanging, how are you?
Just hanging as well and drinking some of your delicious matcha. And this is a special drink just for this event, is that right?
Yeah, it's the potion.
And can you tell me a little bit about this dope collab that you have with Psych World?
We love Psych World. We just did like a dip dye hoodie in our colors, so we wanted to kind of do that. And then take our green and make it like a little bit more psychedelic and did something cool with their stuff and our stuff. So yeah, we're really happy with the result.
I'm stoked to be here with you. Thanks so much, Matthew.
Thank you.
I've eaten a lot of things, and there is definitely more food to be had here today. Let's go do some more stuff. I am here with Joshua Vitas, who's doing a collab here today at Family Fest. So who are you working with?
We're working with Bert over at Slab. He's the first 10 over there.
And can you tell me what inspired the designs for this stuff?
He was wearing a Dodger hat, and I was like, bro, I can write S and B and make it say Slab. And he's like, yo, what the fuck, let's go, you know? So it was very super organic, and then like a week later, we had the design.
Joshua Vitas, yo, pretty dope. Have a good fest. Slab, my dude's from Slab. What's your name, my man?
I'm Bert.
And you?
Greg.
Adam. Bert, Greg, and Adam. Oh my God. So you maniacs have been slinging this insane looking sandwich to people. My man, can you tell me what's in there?
So this is our version of our sandwich that we do at the restaurant. We call it the ooh. So we got this brioche bun. We have the barbecue. We have this brisket that we smoked. It's beautiful brisket. We have this queso sauce. This is cheese. Woo. And we pour it up and we say ooh.
Whoa!
There you have it.
And there you have it. The slab sandwich. Look out.
Greasy.
The greasy slab.
That's a really good bite. Oh my God, it's like a heart attack. Yo, a lot of happy people shopping, getting the gear they want, and eating the food that hits the spot and that you can only get right here. That's it. I'm done eating too much. This is Abdullah with NTWRK signing off. Peace.